Well, over many years at these shows here in America, one man has traveled a long way to come to a great number of them. This is Milan Mach, an old friend from the Evektor company in the Czech Republic, where I visited once. I got a nice tour of your facilities there. Milan, you've got some new representation here you'd like to introduce now.
Yes, we have.
Who have we got between us here?
Between us is standing Vinicius Pires from Global Aircraft, sitting in for Rotterdam, and we can present some information about his company also.
Okay, thank you, Milan. We appreciate that. So, Vinny, and I'm going to use that name because that's easy for Americans. Vinicius is the whole name, is that right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, but you're operating in Brazil, as Milan told us, but you're doing more than Brazil. Tell us a little bit about your company and where you represent the Evektor products.
Yeah, my company, Global Aircraft, we are a worldwide aircraft brokerage company. We specialize also in Brazil and United States. For Evektor, it's been a pleasure to represent in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee, Alabama, and Virginia.
And where are you based in the United States then?
Our headquarters is on the Florida International Airport, the FOL.
Okay, right.
Which pretty much we're going to concentrate all the sales, some part of maintenance, everything regarding to the Evektor aircraft.
Okay, great. I know they've got some great representation up north in the New England area with Arturola, and in the central states with Steve Minnick. But Global Air is representing now the southeastern states.
Exactly.
But now more than that, now in Brazil as well. So this is new, is it?
Yes, correct.
And this is your aircraft right here?
Yes, we just received brand new, was delivered from factory actually a week ago. So it's been a pleasure to show the first time here at the Sebring, and the customers so far, they love it.
It's been an aircraft that's done very well in flight schools, we know, for many years. Well, mostly as a sports star, I guess, for that particular application. Do you anticipate that for Brazil as well?
Yes, correct. Flight schools, and, you know, also the private owners that they are intending to buy the first airplane to learn, because this is a very easy aircraft to maneuver and to operate, as you're probably familiar with. So
I have gotten to fly both the Sports Star and some of the earlier versions, as well as the Harmony, and I do like the way this airplane flies. So you're able to provide services to people in both places, in both Brazil and to the United States. You provide a full line of services to people if they do some damage to their airplane or just need routine maintenance. You can do this?
Yes, correct. Through our Evektor networking system, we're going to be able to provide everything.
Okay, great. Well, finding out more about Evektor, finding out more about Global Air. Let's start with Global Air. That's your enterprise. How do we find you on the web, Vinny?
Yeah, the company is Global Aircraft. So the website is globalaircrafts.com.
Aircraft with an S on the end. Okay, we'll put that up on screen for people. But, and then,
of course, Evektor.com.
And just Evektor.com.
Yes.
And that way we can access their services all around the world.
Yes, correct.
And this is a company that's sold airplanes, I don't know in how many countries now, but a lot of airplanes over many years.
1,500 airplanes sold to over 50 different countries.
Excellent. I'm glad you had that right on the tip of your tongue.
All right.
All right, Vinny. Well, pleasure to meet you here. Best of luck with your new representation in Brazil. You can find more about all kinds of affordable aircraft on ByDanJohnson.com. Thanks for joining Milan, Vinny, and myself here at Sebring.